it's Gina with WTI, and if you've gotten to the age where you need a pair of reading glasses, then you may have noticed that there are lots of different qualities on the market. This pair that I got from 2SeeLife has completely impressed me by how well it's made. Immediately after taking them out of the box, I could tell right away that these were going to last me for a long time, and they're very well made. I got the cat's eye design in the color green amber. This is such a fabulous pair of glasses, and 2SeeLife has other colors that you can get the same style in. So when I have my contacts in, I can't see things close up like my phone when I'm crocheting or even at the beach picking shells. So I needed a pair of low strength readers in order to see detail. These are not warped, they give clear vision, and they just have been perfect for my needs. I have to wear smaller framed glasses because of the size of my face, and these fit perfectly. If you're looking for a pair of new glasses, I highly recommend these ones, and that's my point of view.